is me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum. How are you all doing out there? Listen, it is just raining and cold this whole week. Just waiting for the summer to come. Just waiting for the summer to come, right? I hear that the weather's going to get better next week because really, yeah, I've been wearing proper coats and everything. So this week's been a really good week as usual. The new single is still going absolutely brilliant. I have to thank all the DJs up and down the country. You're doing such a brilliant job. I thank you so much for being so supportive. And all the people that are just DMing me and saying, hey JB, love the tune. Thank you so much. Thank you for responding. I really, really appreciate your feedback. It's just lovely. Anyway, guys, this week, what did I make? Well, my dad's not been feeling very well, but he's never too unwell for the sweet cakes and the sweet stuff, right? And you know me, although I've got to say, I'm no different. I do love a sweet cake myself. It's not good for us. So I decided to make my dad a cake, but I thought I'd make it from bran. So I got this high fiber bran and I mixed it with loads and loads of raisins, and I made my dad a bran loaf with this cereal. He loved it. The thing is with using dried fruit rather than sugar, it's still really, really sweet. I was still very meager with the slices that I gave my dad, but at least it's not processed sugar. So guys, this is how I'm, hold on a second. Before I carry on, don't forget to like and subscribe so that every time I do a video, you will know all about it. And please comment, tell me if you give these things a try. I always love to hear from you. So guys, this is a quick one this week. This is how I made my bran loaf. It's so simple, so quick. It's made in minutes and then you bung it in the oven. So here's our bran loaf. Here we go. We need 250 grams of fruit, mixed or singular. Then with the bran, you're gonna soak it 300 mils with some plant milk for half an hour. This is our oil. And then I had a few seeds, chia seeds and pumpkin seeds. Put everything in a bowl. There goes the chia seed and the pumpkin seeds. Really simple, everything goes in the bowl. This is 1/4 cup of oil, olive oil, extra virgin, 100 grams of flour, and then everything's in the bowl. Or you can add in, and then of course we're going to add in the big boy, which is our soaked bran, which has been soaking for about half an hour, so it's nice and soft. Just pour it in the bowl, and then use a food mixer. But you know what, you don't need a food mixer, you could just put it in a bowl and everything will mix nicely. There it is. I've just put it in a bowl anyway. Grease a tin with greaseproof paper, and you're gonna pour everything in. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Beautiful, very simple, 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 simple. Put it in a medium oven for 30 to 40 minutes. And voila, look at that, it's lovely, golden brown, lovely and cooked. Isn't that lovely? And then you're going to just turn it out on a lovely plate once it's cooled a little bit. And look at that lovely loaf.
All you gotta do is be bold, in control. You've been told, and it shows that you're cold.
He's getting new glasses. He's trying to choose. Cutie, cutie. When we were younger, we had a thing called National Health. They weren't as smart as these. Really fancy, fancy schmancy. Oh, Lewis Hamilton. Looking real good. Yeah, Lewis. Ooh, let's have this little close up on Lewis Hamilton. Do you know who that is, Ganaya? Do you know who that is, Anaya? Someone called Lewis Hamilton. Yes. Hey guys, so it's Saturday afternoon. The kids are with their dad and I'm just about to edit my video for you tomorrow, the Sunday morning video. And I was starving. I'll be honest with you, this week I've kind of gone in a bit hard. So I do have issues with portion size, and this week I've been just eating. So I've not been eating like loads of like sweet stuff really. No, I lie, popcorn. And yeah, I have actually, I lie. And I've been baking a lot of cakes with the kids and biscuits. So we've just been going in hard. I'm going to be honest now, I'm going to confess. So I kind of felt really like I'm just really putting it on. People think that vegans can't put on weight. We sure can. Do you know what I mean? So this week, me and the kids have just been piling it in. Because the single's been going really well, I've been going to myself, oh, things are going so well with the music. Let me treat myself to some biscuits and cookies. All homemade, can't be that bad. I've just been feeling like I've really overdone it. But then you know what? I put on the dress that really shows everything just a minute ago. And surprisingly, not that much. I have put on a few poundage, but not that much, surprisingly. So I'm very happy. But today, you know what I'm going to have? I'm literally having a warm salad. I'm going to show you what it is. I just literally got some salad. I got some tomatoes, some beetroot, some broccoli, carrots and plantain. And I just warmed it all up, mixed it up, made myself a vinaigrette salad with some balsamic vinegar. I got some shop-bought hummus. I know it's shop-bought. And I'm just going to have this salad with some hummus. And then I'm going to do this video. I thought I'd just show you what really happens, really. How does it all happen? Well, this is how it happens. I'm still like, I just finished, I'm really sweaty actually. I just did a video for a drop. I did a little video to do with my single gold, and somebody wanted me to do some kind of a thing for them. So that's why I've kind of got a lot more makeup than I would normally have on a Saturday afternoon. And yeah, gold is going really, really well. Somebody asked me what was the intention behind gold. And I think I mentioned it before. I think I did it in one of my little promo videos. I mean, people think that I'm really, really confident. I am, I'm very confident. But there were times, and I'm sure it happens with everybody, where you doubt yourself. Especially when you just had a baby, when I had the kids and stuff. And so all my experience and skills and stuff just felt like I just didn't know, I knew nothing. When I had the kids, I don't know anything. I don't know anybody. I just felt like a whole new person. And so then when I did start to kind of get back into the music and all the things that I do, like even cooking, because I cook all the time, I just didn't think I could do it. I second guessed myself. And then also I found that sometimes people took that and used that as an opportunity to kind of dig in and sort of go, yeah. And be mean, really. And then when you're vulnerable, you take that in and you feel really, you know, it doesn't make you feel so good. But as I started doing these cooking videos, I got more confidence. As I started doing more kind of live gigs, I mean, I always did do gigs. I always did, like, you know, weddings, funerals and that sort of stuff. It's sort of more like commercial stuff that I've been doing, of course, with the single out gold and Back to Love. I got more confidence and I realized, yeah, you know what, I'm gold. All the things that I've studied and trained in, of course, my experience, it all started to flood back and I realized everything's all right. So that's the kind of thinking behind how and why gold is important to me and why I did gold. And I wanted to encourage people that sometimes when you're talking to people, that the second verse talks about, I had to learn that the people we meet, they don't always have the best intentions. So I had people who sometimes were well-meaning, but I realized it was them that were scared of life or the future. And so when I said, should I do it like this? Because they were scared, they would then put their fears on me. And so I had to sort of break away from that and those people in order to kind of start to build and kind of go forward in my life, which is I love singing and I love cooking, as you know. So yeah, let me show you the food. I'm doing a lot of chatting. So here is the salad, the warm salad. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I'm going to eat that with some, as I said, some shop-bought hummus. But yeah, it's really simple. It's a big salad, but I haven't eaten anything. I just had a smoothie this morning and a salad now. I don't think you should do this. I'm just trying to offload some of them cookies I had this week and the cakes. And then my son, now he goes to secondary school, he's always coming back with things that he's made. So one time it was apple pie, apple crumble, the cookies. I did that recipe already. Cupcakes, and it's all sweet stuff. Scones. I remember making scones at school. So I'm eating them when I've got no control. So that's why I'm having the salad. This is me doing my video for you and just about to have my little late night dinner. Kids are with dad. And then I'm going to make this video. So this is normally the time where you see me trying the loaf, eating the loaf, etc, etc. Well, of course, it went to dad's house. It was consumed. In fact, my dad had a slice every day, which was nice. I don't think he consumes it all in one day. I'll check that out. You know what I'm like? I'm a bit like the police when it comes to things in my dad. I'm like, what did you do, Dad? What? The single's doing brilliant. You are being so supportive. Please continue to download and stream it. You know where to find it on all streaming platforms. Also, I've got a new website. You can try and find it on the website. Don't forget to subscribe when you go to my YouTube, and also subscribe when you go over to my new website. Listen, guys, for healthy vegan options, I'm your girl.